Hi, I'm Bill Rieger. I'm the service manager with Metro Garage Door. Well, that was an interesting project. The scope of it is quite large, and my aspect in that job is making sure communication is taking place from the manufacturer to delivery, and then obviously on-site issues. The scale itself is a little larger. The thickness of steel that was used that really made it a lot more time consuming, and we had to develop strategies and ways of trying to improve our speed of which we install each door. The doors that they selected were manufactured by Clopay. They are what is known as a full vertical door, and we're very pleased to finish that up, and it went well for us.
At Metro, we take care of you.